Thank you,
TL Tara.
Thank you,
TL, thank you, TL.
Hi, T. Altara. This is Ken, your agent LJZ416. My message for you is to always keep safe and stay healthy, because I know that your new agents will need your leadership and your guidance, and I'm hoping and praying that your new team will be good to you. Know that we'll always be there for you to support you, just like what you did for us. And don't worry, you're gonna see each other inside the WCC. And thank you so much for everything, and we love you always.
Hello, TL Tara. Good morning. Well, you know what, TL? I'm not really fond of sending messages like this because I really found it very cringy. But since you're one of my best TL after all, I'm going to do it for you. When I learned that Team Joe will be dissolved, without hesitation, sabi ko talaga, TL, gusto ko sa Team Tara mapunta. Gusto ko kay TL Tara. And I never ever really regretted that decision. Well, thank you so much, TL Tara, for your warm welcome. Even though I'm just in your family, in your team, hindi ko naramdaman na bago ako. Like, yung buong buwan na nasa pangangalaga mo ako, hindi ako nahirapang mag-adjust. Sa araw-araw ko, TL, na pagpasok sa production floor, never kita nakita sumimangot, hindi kita narinig na naging sarcastic sa amin. Ewan ko lang, TL, sobrang bait mo, nakakainis ka. Yun nga, TL Tara, salamat ng marami for treating us not just like your agents, but of course, like your true child. Thank you so much talaga, TL, kasi with you, we really found the love and care like a real mother. Thank you, TL Tara, for inspiring us to work every day. Napagbutihin namin yung aming statistics, lalo ng MPS namin. Thank you so much as well for your guidance sa mga pagkain, sa palaman na peanut butter, and also for smiling every day. TL, this message is not a goodbye, but you know what, for a welcome for a new beginning. Lagi kang mag-iingat, TL. Well, TL Tara, galingan mo palalo, lalo na magbago yung iyong agents. I know na kaya mo yan. We are always just in the other side of the production floor, TL, pag kailangan mo kami. And we are always rooting for you, TL. I guess that's all, TL. Thank you so much, and I love you so much as well. Bye-bye!
Hello, TL. Kakagising lang. Good morning. I just want to greet you. Happy birthday. Hindi, joke lang. TL, thank you so much for everything that you've done for the past year na naging part ako ng Capital One US. I'm so grateful. And salamat sa lahat ng patience mo na pag-iintindi. I'm so thankful to you. Thank you so much. And keep up the good work. You're the best TL in the world. And sorry sa lahat ng mga pasaway ko. Sorry sa lahat ng mga detractors, ng mga lates, or mga overbreaks. But everything that you've done, na-appreciate ko talaga. So maraming mansal, TL. God bless po. And see you around. Bye-bye.
Hi TL Tara, I just want to express my gratitude towards you through this video. I just want to let you know that you're one of the best, amazing and beautiful TL in Capital One. And thank you so much for the memories, the learnings and the teachings during my stay in Outbound, specifically in your team. And yeah, for sure I will miss the bond and also the coaching and agawan ng offliner meeting. And yes, I just want to add that I hope na huwag ka masyadong ma-stress since as you said that being in this industry needs a changes. So be happy in your inbound team. Bye-bye.
Hi TL. TL, thank you so much po. And alam mo naman na love kita. And because you're my lovely TL, Tara. TL, thank you so much po sa lahat ng mga memories. And actually, lahat naman yun is sobrang sasaya. Salamat sa pagiging magaling na leader. And sobra kitang na-appreciate, lalo na kapag nagra-rant kami sa'yo ng mga personal problem namin. Pero nandiyan ka pa rin, nakikinig ka. Thank you so much, TL Tara. And I can say na sa unang BPO experience ko, I'm so lucky na ikaw yung naging TL ko. And you'll always be my lovely TL.
Hi! And there you go. Hello. Hello, TL. And you know, alam mo naman how grateful I am na for my first BPO is ikaw ang aking naging first TL. And hello. Oo eh. So, you know, TL, you're one in a million. And for sure, I haven't met anyone who doesn't know how to be mad or angry. For almost 7 months that I have been with you, wala akong nakita na nagalit ka man sa mga pasaway mong agents nor nagtanim ng sama ng loob. And your name suits you. Maria Teresita, hindi alam magalit, rather puro pagpapasensya, puro pagpapaunawa, and I will not be able or I will not be where I am without my great leader. And I will miss you, of course, as my TL. And salamat sa lahat ng mga wisdom, learnings, and sa mga coachings and everything that you have done to be part of where I am today. And of course, see you around, and thank you for pagkain, TL. Thank you, and I love you so much.
Hi there, Tara. This is Jess. This is like a short video to thank you about everything that you've done for me in a very short period of time. I'm really thankful that I was put under your care and you have guided me. And this last month, I truly enjoyed working with you, and I know it will be the same to the new members of your team. I'm really excited for you, and I'm really hoping for the best for this new journey, new chapter of your career. Thank you so much, TL Tara, and of course, see you around.
Hi TL, I just wanted to grab this opportunity to express my gratitude for you, for your leadership and support. We've been together for a year and we will be forever grateful for you as our team leader who believed and never let us feel that we are just employees. You treat us well as your own child. Thank you so much for all your guidance and you're the best TL. Sana hindi sumakit yung ulo mo sa bago mong team. We love you, TL.
Hello, TL Tara. Thank you so much sa mga panahon na nakasama ka namin. And thank you dahil binalkam mo ako sa team nyo kahit sa onting or sa weekling panahon lang. Salamat sa mga pag-iintindi at pag-unawa at sa lahat sa mga coachings mo. Thank you sa mga approved VTOs. And good luck sa pag-journey mo sa pagiging TL mo sa inbound. Naway maging performer ang iyong team. Salamat sa lahat. God bless!
aura muna, syempre. Hello, TL! Namiss mo ba ako? Syempre, oo. Ako favorite agent mo. Aminin na natin dito kasi total din naman tayo magkakasama. So, dapat malaman nila na ako yung favorite mo talaga. Joke lang. Thank you, TL. Siguro nagulat ka, ba't namin ginawa to? Yes, secret lang to. Pero, ginawa namin to kasi napaka-special mo na tao para sa amin. Lalo sa akin. For 2 years na magkasama tayo. Marami kang natulong sa akin. Hindi lang about sa work. About dun sa mga payo mo na about family ko. Of course, lalo na kay Papa. Lagi kang nakaalalay sa akin. Lagi mo inunawa yung kapag kailangan ko ng araw na to para kay Papa ka pinibigay mo. Ginagawa mo yung parang, sad lang kasi siyempre ang hirap kasi na yung nga lang malipat ako kay TL Mario ng 1 month, ang bigat, ang hirap nun, diba? Ito pang nasa inbound ka, pero alam ko naman na hindi naman nabang na doon tayo magkakasama talaga tayo, pero sana huwag mo kami kalimutan. Super thankful ako sa iyo, TL. Alam mo yun, alam mo rin kung gaano ko kakamahal sa stay ko ng Capital One. Napakalaki ng naging bahagi mo sa akin sa pag-stay ko sa Capital One. Parang 3/4 ng pag-stay ko sa Capital One is ikaw yung pinaka-the best na nakasama ko dyan. Super bait, napaka maunawain, and niintindi mo lahat kanina. So, napakaswerte ng mga bagong agent mo. Sana hindi nila abusuhin yung pagiging mabait mo. Sabi ka rin sa akin, chuchunain namin talaga yan. Joke lang. Yun, TL, hindi naman kami may miss kasi lagi naman tayo magkasama sa pod. Pero, basta, sana bumalik ko sa outbound. Sana kami pa rin yung piliin mo. Kagaya ng pagpili mo sa akin araw-araw. Charis lang. Yun. Thank you, TL. Good luck sa sa new agent, na mga bagong agent na hawakan mo. More pasensya kailangan mo dyan. Pero pag kailangan mo ng taga-monits, andito lang kami, okay? Tutulungan ka namin para hindi nadagdagan yung mga stress mo sa inbound. So, yun. Thank you, TL Tara. I'm so happy talaga na nakilala kita. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Lalo na sa mga prayer na sinisend mo sa akin. Sa every time na feeling down ako, isasend mo yun na, ito, dasalin mo ganyan. Super thankful ako sa iyo, TL. So, yun. Thank you, TL. I love you so much. Bye-bye.